Aglaonema are a staple in the houseplant world. This hardy tropical is often used in interior plant design. It's not uncommon to see them in restaurants, malls, and dotting shelves in clothing stores. Aglaonema Lady Valentine is a standout among most Aglaonema cultivars. While the majority are shades of green, Lady Valentine is pink with individual plants ranging from deep blush to almost white. The care for your Aglaonema Lady Valentine is fairly similar to its green counterparts, with a few differences to keep in mind. This pink cute is perfectly suited to both newbie plant parents and seasoned pink plant lovers alike. What are the care tips for Aglaonema Pink Valentine? Let's find it out. Let's go with the light requirement. While Aglaonema is often included on list of low light tolerant plants, you'll want to keep Aglaonema Lady Valentine in medium to bright indirect light. This cultivar requires brighter light to maintain its pink color. Generally, the brighter the light your plant gets, the deeper pink the color will be. Be careful to keep the leaves from any direct sun as they will burn. Next, let's go with the water requirement. Allow about half of the soil to dry before watering again. When you are watering, make sure that the soil is fully saturated and allowed to flow from the drainage holes to ensure your plant is properly hydrated. Oftentimes, multiple plants are potted together in a single pot to create a fuller look. Fully saturating your soil ensures that all the plants in the pot are getting equally watered. Did you know that if your Aglaonema Lady Valentine is grown in very low light, it won't only lose its signature pink color, it can also drop leaves and grow tall and You can also prune off any damaged or dying leaves using a sharp pair of scissors or secateurs. This plant is toxic if ingested for both humans and animals, so keep it away from kids or your furry friends. Let's have another additional information about this plant. Aglaonema, also referred to as Chinese evergreen, is an adored species in the houseplant world, known for its vibrant colors and striking patterned leaves. Aglaonema pink Valentine is a durable and fairly adaptable tropical houseplant that is suitable for the forgetful plant parent or the not-so-ideal plant room in your home. Aglaonema Lady Valentine is a standout with its stunning pink and green variegated foliage. The perfect gift for the sweet Valentine in your life is this plant. Aglaonemas are slow growing and will only need repotting every 2 to 3 years. You will know it is time to repot by touching the soil and seeing it has become loose or if the roots have become overgrown. The number one rule to remember for Aglaonema care is to keep it warm and moist. Rotate your plant occasionally to encourage even growth. What I do really love and like about this plant is that Aglaonema is considered as the lucky plant as per feng shui and considered a bringer of fortune. From the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for your love and support to Sir Miyu Vlogs. God bless us all. Enjoy the rest of your day.